Hi everyone, this is Alisa from WEITAI Hydraulic, one of China's biggest manufacturers of hydraulic solutions. Today, as you can see, we're at WEITAI's factory and we are talking about WTM series final drives. So here is WTM-60 final drive model, and it consists of a travel motor, planetary gearbox and a hydraulic valve. It perfectly applies to 25 to 32 ton excavators and can be a wonderful replacement for your hydraulic motor of any famous brand. If you're interested in our product, please subscribe to our channel. Leave us a message, we'll be happy to talk to you. Have a nice day. Bye.